Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Making It Happen with Mary and I am Mary. Today's video, we're going to talk about another tried and true fall scent from Bath & Body Works. They bring her back year after year. Avery's got to get in it. And it is Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. Yep, Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. Yeah, she has been brought out so many times, but like I said when I did my haul video, I was very intrigued because of the fact that they have these pumpkin cinnamon rolls on them. Well, pumpkin roll cakes on them, which I know I've seen like cinnamon rolls on the past packaging, but I'd never actually seen the pumpkin roll on there. So I definitely have thoughts about that for sure. Before we get too much, y'all, I got a sneak peek for you, because speaking of cinnamon, Banger Beauty by Mary is going to be dropping some fall lip glosses later this month, and I thought I'd give you a sneak preview. I'm wearing one of them today. It is Cinnamon Sugar Toast. Look how frickin' pretty that is. And y'all, it's a natural lip plumper too. Anthony swears this one smells like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It is definitely amazing. The scent and taste is to die for. It definitely tingles your lips because it's a natural lip plumper with the cinnamon. But yo, your girl outdid herself on this one, y'all. Yes, Cinnamon Sugar Toast. Look for her later this month over at Banger Beauty by Mary. And before she comes out, get over there and hit up the clearance stuff that's on clearance. We got to get this stuff out of here to make room, y'all. We got to do it. We got to do it. All right, let's get into this video. Okay, like I was saying, this here, not only that, the scent notes. Scent notes are heirloom pumpkin, autumn cinnamon, ginger snap, and whipped vanilla. So, you know, me being the way I am, I looked up past year scent notes. Ginger snap was not in there, y'all. It was not in there. And I will say, I do think this year's version is a little bit different. It really is. I do have a version here. See what I was saying, how they do those cinnamon rolls? This year, that was that Fall Farmhouse collection. It came out with that Plum Prosecco and a few other ones. What year was this? 2020. 2020. I'm going to spray a little on and let them sit. But I have noticed, I do think that this has a tiny bit more like gingery notes in it. Almost like, not a cookie note, but like the spice that's used like in ginger snap cookies. I can kind of detect that. And I did think initially when I smelled it that it smelled a little different. Not a lot, but a little different for me. So I'm gonna go in and smell. I sprayed this on this hand, this one on this one. Here's the latest version. You know what I think it is? Because there is an actual detectable pumpkin note in both of these. I feel like it's stronger in past years with that pumpkin, like actual pumpkin note. And they've upped like the cinnamon and spice vibe in this year's. It's not massive, but I do notice it. I do notice it, absolutely. I also do think this year's version is the teeniest, and I'm talking it's small, y'all, small, teeniest bit sweeter as well. But just slightly. Yeah, this one does not come across as sweet at all. This, I'm definitely getting very slight sweet notes in there. We'll come back though and smell it after it's sat for a little while. But yeah, Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin, I've had a love-hate relationship with this scent. I've always kept a bottle on hand to do comparisons. But for me, the traditional version has always been just, it was too much. It was like, it almost to me was like pumpkin spice potpourri. It was just too much, knocked me on my butt. I couldn't take it. It was like, woo, Knock me out my drawers, baby, damn. Yeah, and I just have always had a love-hate relationship. I have to be in a very rare, exceptional mood to want to wear this, which usually is maybe only twice a whole fall season. So that should tell you where this lands so far as like what my reach preferences are. But we'll come back. I mean, it's a very spicy, pumpkin-y type of a scent. The comparisons, y'all. I'm going to start with the most outlandish one I saw, and I did see this. I saw it on TikTok, and I've never been so enraged in all of my life. They were comparing sweet cinnamon pumpkin to pumpkin pecan waffles, y'all. Pumpkin pecan waffles. What the hell are you sniffing over there? I literally was lost for words. Scent notes on my beloved pumpkin pecan waffles is maple syrup, golden waffles, pumpkin spice, and brown sugar. Again, I think this is another instance where they read the scent notes. Oh, that must mean they smell alike. Bitch. No, they don't. No. Hello, lover. This is my last full-size bottle that I have of this, and I'm so mad that they did not bring her back this year. Like, why? She was a great seller. People love this scent. So I think the people who are selling on Mercari are going to be jacking up the price on this because they know it ain't coming back. I love this scent. It literally smells like a gourmand lover's dream. You've got the waffles and the syrup. And they say pumpkin. I don't get pumpkin from this. It literally is golden waffles with syrup and that brown sugar note in there. It is divine. It is not this. So that was the most outlandish one I saw. But I did see some other ones. Some I could kind of jive with, others not so much. One of them was a scent by Scentworks, which they no longer make. It was honey drizzled pumpkin. Honey drizzled pumpkin. Scent notes on this gorgeous beauty is drizzled honey, fresh pumpkin, and creamy vanilla. It's like the honey part from Champagne Apple and Honey mixed with pumpkin and vanilla, and it is freaking amazing. But it's very sweet, very gourmand. It has no spice in it, like none. It was just another one that I was just like it made me twitch, y'all. Twitch. Now there's two that I saw that I can kind of understand, but no. The one was actually an oldie but goodie, salted caramel pumpkin. Yes, she came out 2016, y'all. I still have a whole set. Look at that. Look at that. And it still smells divine. Absolutely beautiful. Scent notes are salted caramel, harvest pumpkin, maple cream, sugared woods, and fluffy musk. And I will say, the pumpkin that's in here is the same type of pumpkin that's in here. However, you definitely get maple and caramel in here. It's like a caramel lover's dream mixed with pumpkin. It's freaking beautiful. The spray still smells amazing. In fact, in the spray, you get way more caramel than anything else. It still smells divine. Whereas in the lotion, I definitely get a lot of that maple. A lot of maple and a lot of like sugary notes. You still do pick up pumpkin, and like I said, it's the same type of pumpkin that's in here, but this is so different. But I did see people on Instagram comparing salted caramel pumpkin to pumpkin or sweet cinnamon pumpkin, and I was just like, now there was one that I can actually get with this one a tiny bit more. It's not the same, but I can understand and see a little bit of that comparison. It is pumpkin picking, which y'all, this bottle, when is this from? 2018. I still do have a lotion. They did bring this back, just so you know, but not under the name of pumpkin picking. They brought it back under white pumpkin and chai. And when they did it the first time, because they've done it twice now that I can remember, when they did it the first time, they did it right. The last version of it was awful. It was so watered down. This is one of my favorite all-time scents for fall. I am in love with this scent. It embodies everything that just screams fall. It has scent notes of cinnamon spiced cider, fresh pumpkin pie, and hayrides to the patch. It is so freaking good. It's almost like a combination of apple cider meets pumpkin pie meets like the way that the woods or fields smell in fall. That's what this smells like. So the only reason I can kind of see it is that the spicier notes that are in here, and this is not a super spicy scent either, by the way, but there is some spicy notes in here. They do kind of ring along the same lines as this, but this is like on steroids, babe, on steroids. Whereas this is, she just been going to the gym maybe once a week. This mother trucker lives there every day. There's a big difference. So I can kind of understand it, but they are not the same. I love this scent. I wish they would bring her back and bring her back right. I freaking love her. And my lotion is still good, y'all. I cannot believe that. Yeah, look. My lotion is still good. I'm going to put it up here on the arm so I don't conflict the scents. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Now let's go back in and compare, if we remember. I'm just knocking stuff over left and right, y'all. I'm very excited today, can you tell? Let's compare what I sprayed on this hand with this year's version with years past. It definitely dries down to a pumpkin-y, cinnamony ginger snap. I can absolutely pick up ginger snap in this. But let's smell the dry down of that original. Yeah, that same ginger snap note in the dry down is not here. It is not here, but it's in this one. Yes, it's very faint. It is faint to my nose, but I definitely can pick it up. So did they change it? I wouldn't say that they 100% changed it, but I think they tweaked it just the slightest, teeniest bit. And I'm willing to bet that the majority of people who smell this are not even going to notice the difference. I swear to God. I will say the longevity on this was not, it was about 2 hours, which normally in years past, this sucker will last you all day, baby. Like, she potent. This year's version does seem a little more watered down. But I am happy with this ginger snap note. I smell it. I can pick it up. Yes, and they toned the pumpkin down in this just the tiniest bit. So yes, it's a teeny bit different, but I guarantee a lot of people are not even going to notice. Yeah, what did you guys think? Did you guys get your sniffer on the newest version of Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin? Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Don't forget to get over Banger Beauty by Mary. No, this one is not on site yet. And that's Cinnamon Sugar Toast. It will be by the month's end to, you know, bring in the fall season. But we still have a lot of great things over there. We have the Sip Happens collection, the wine collection. We have peanut butter and jelly for back to school. And a lot of other really, really good, awesome glosses and eyelashes, y'all. Eyelashes. So get over there and check it out. And we're at my favorite part. Ready? Like, comment, subscribe, and ding the bell so you're alerted every single time your girl uploads. And I will see you in the next one. All right, you guys. Bye-bye.